So how to use a USB microphone with your mobile? So this microphone here is generally used for computer, but you can also use this to record a very high quality voice with your phone as well. So let's see how to do it, and we will also see how to use this USB microphone with your DSLR as well. Let's say you have a microphone which you regularly use with your computer for streaming or whatever, but if it's a USB microphone and you still want to use it with your mobile while you're recording video, and you also want to use it with your DSLR as well to create content, you can still do it. So this could be a dynamic microphone or condenser, whatever, but you need to have a USB output option to use it with your mobile phone. So let's see how to do it together. To use this with your mobile phone, you need to have an OTG cable just like this, or maybe just like this. So what you need to do is put this USB on this OTG cable here. So let's insert this here, and this port goes to your USB Type-C on your Android phone. So let's do it now. So my phone is now connected to my microphone here, so I hope it's recording from here, not from my phone. So let's test it. Tick. Hello. So this is a cardioid pattern microphone, so I have to speak through this way. Hello, 1 2 3. So I hope you see the difference in the voice while I'm recording this one. So it's a little bit different to how to use it with your DSLR. So let's see how to do it. So to use this USB microphone with DSLR, I had to connect it with a computer. So I tried to connect it with a mobile and then DSLR, but it didn't work. So I had to connect it to a computer with the last end of this port to a computer. And what I need to do now is I have to use a male-to-male audio cable, which is this one. So you have to use this cable with the DSLR and put this inside the audio port of your DSLR, and this end goes to, here is an ending, here is a audio port as well in my microphone, which is to check your voice really. So you input this here. So it's a bit complicated to use with your DSLR. You have to input the USB to your computer and an audio cable, male-to-male cable, to your microphone to your DSLR. So let's see if my DSLR recognizes something. Hello. So if you see here, if I talk further from this microphone here, hello, it doesn't move. So if you see now, hello, 1 2 3. So the audio sensitivity you can see here in my adjustment to this. So this is the way you can use your USB microphone with your DSLR to record video with better audio quality. But the thing is, I got so much noise with DSLR while trying this option, so I had to reduce the gain into my DSLR on microphone option, movie setting. So you may have to do it or not, I'm not sure. It could be different for new DSLR as well. So my one is D5300, so it doesn't work really well with my D5300. I got so much noise, so I had to reduce the noise as well. So that's all for today. If you liked watching this sort of tech content more, do subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.